Okay, so yesterday I had revised, means we had gone through the string method. So that was slice, substring, substr, and length. So three method we had seen. So those was extracting method, means how we can extract the data. Means if we have a string and from the string, if we have to extract the data, means like some text, character or anything. So how we can extract, we had seen. Now we will look over the some other features of the string method. Okay, so what is the method? Method is the replacing string content. In the sense, suppose that you had written some content and if you want to replace something, okay, so what you can do, you can use the replace method of the string. In that case, what we will do, create one variable first. So how we will create variable? Let just username something, username equal to, we will pass something like my name is, and just we can pass here Ramu. Fine, but I want to replace which one? I want to replace this name. Anything we want to replace from there. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because nobody is speaking, that's why. That's fine, don't speak, otherwise your knowledge will increase. Okay, so we can increase, like means we can make the variable. After that we want to replace this name, so the method name that is replace. Okay, so with the help of replace method we can replace that value, whichever value we want to replace. Okay, so how we can use, we can, so here what we had written, we written that let, means we created one new variable. It's like a new text or something, or you can write a new data equal to, what is this one, means what is the name of, means what is the variable of a string, original string? What is the name
Sir,
of
username.
original string?
Username.
Username. So we will pass
Username.
username, then we will pass method dot replace, as like in previously what we was doing, how to get method name. So see, we return one string, after that we will pass dot, and after dot we will get some method. So see, we got all the method. So suppose that I have to check the length, we will pass the length method, and now in the console we can check that. So what is the variable?
New data.
Variable is,
New data.
yeah,
Data.
new data,
New data.
new data, and now just check that and open the console. So what we getting here? We getting new data equal to new data, and there, 1 second.
So sir, add your JavaScript yes file.
Where? This already added.
You
So
already.
what we getting? Character we getting 15. Fine. See that 4.js. Okay. We are working on 4.js. So we got a length is 14. If we want to add something more, let's save. We got 22. So it's from there. Fine. So one method we had seen length. What we want? We want to replace. Remove this length.
It's also
And
also sir carrying sir a space.
yeah, yeah, everything. A string means all the things which within double quote or single quote, all the things. whether a space, dot, everything it will take care. So after that, next press a dot, and after the dot you will get a different method. So which method we want? We want a replace method. Pass this value and put cursor. You will got how you have to pass the value. See, replace, then curly braces, and then search value. Got it? And then this here replace value means this is your original value and this is your replace value, and how both getting separated with the help of comma. So we will pass that. So pass here first means create the method. After that, which value we want? We want a Ramu. Original value is Ramu. So pass that inside a string Ramu. Pass comma. Which value we want? So now it's showing that search value.
So
It came, and
Ramu.
next is the replace value. So which value we want to replace? Replace with any
So
other name. SOHAM. Soham. Now save and check. So what happened? Now what data are you getting? My name is Soham. What was the previous value? Previous value
Ramu.
was Ramu. Fine. So user name. Let's save. Now what you will add here to means like old name and means old data, new data. I have to add some string there. How to add old data and new data? Means in the console now you getting the two data, and you can't separate, means in the both of line you can't able to separate that which one is old, which one is new, means before replace and after replace. So I want to add something text there. How I can add?
In console we write which
Yeah, where?
user name yeah
So
uh,
how to write? Yeah,
Sir,
waiting
within a
symbol.
waiting symbol, we are going to write over.
no, don't
It's a
use a
right
waiting.
yes sir. You pass
Yeah,
double quotation or single quotation, then comma.
so pass like this way. Okay, and user name that is before replace, correct? And same thing I want, means there are various ways to write like this. We can write like this way also, and
After
here
replace.
we will pass, and here
After
before
replace.
replace, then after, this is our after replace. So save. Now we get something, but I want to add here some dot or something symbol type. Save. Now my name is Ramu. Before replace, after replace, this becomes Soham. So if you getting any data and if you want to replace, you can do like this way. Got it? So this way we can use the property of a replace method. Anyone having any issue? Now tell me. So next, one more question came. Whether replace method is creating new array, new string or not. As like
Yes,
yesterday we
yes,
had
it's
seen,
creating new year.
Yes sir.
yesterday we had seen in the case of slice, substring, substr, those was creating new. So same thing here, it creating new string, okay, and returning the value. Got it? So that is the thing. So next, so here the replace method does not change the string it is called on. It not changing the original string. Okay, what it doing? The replace method returns a new string. It creating new and it returning that one. So it's not modifying the old one. So by default, the replace method replaces only the first match. First match in the sense, suppose that Ramu is there and pass one more name, RAMU, Ramu. Okay, what you thinking the output? So it will just replace the first matching, not the second matching. Okay, let's save. So see what we got. My name is Soham and Ramu. What about the second? Second it not matched. So do one thing, replace something. Now it will match to second one. So that's why we got a 1 second.
Not change, sir.
1 second, 1 second. Oh, it was means it matching the text also. Whatever text is it's matching, then it's giving that RAM. Let's see. U but it not have to like that. Oh, it's matching means as it got a match this much, whatever it getting, and if it getting match, it will replace. 1 second. Passes. Let's see. See what it done. What is the output? As it was written here, it replacing only the first match. Fine. So see. So first match. See the name of Soham. What you getting in the last? S.
Ramu.
No, where is Ramu? In the
No,
name
sir.
of Soham, in last character is S. From where
S.
the S came? In Soham is S is available?
No, sir. In
No,
Raham.
From where then it
In
came?
Ramu's.
It came from Ramu. Okay, means whatever it has match, those it replaced, and remaining it kept as it is. Got the point? Means it has match here Ramu, so it replace this all text and it taken the S and it added that S in the new one. Got it? So this one it had. So that is the thing. It replacing your newly matched. Just 1 second. Yeah. So it is replacing whatever it matching. Fine. Next. Suppose here in this example, please visit Microsoft and Microsoft. 2 time Microsoft is coming. What you will get the output? Whether both time W3 school it will replace or it will replace only one time. If 2 times,
Sir, only one time, sir.
it will replace only one value. Fine, because it replacing only first matching, not taking the second matching. Okay, so please visit Microsoft. So it is first one. Then again the second is also Microsoft. But when it starts searching, it will take first one, and suddenly if you got the first one, it will replace whatever value we had passed. Anyone having any issue? These all things we had seen above itself. So replace is working. Next, replace method. By default, the replace method is case sensitive. Okay, so let's see. Replace is case sensitive. 1 second. Replace is case sensitive. Let's do one thing. Ramu be written. Now I will take. RAMU and let's see which one it's replacing. So see, my name is Ramu. It is as usual, and the Soham got replaced in the second one. Got it? Because that is case sensitive, because it not matched due to capital and a small letter. Clear? Next, to replace the case insensitive. Now I want that. I not want that whether it is capital letter or a small letter, whatever letter it is, you have to replace. Means it not. I want that it not should be case sensitive. Means it not to should be means case dependency. So what we will do? We will pass one thing that is a regular expression. Regular expression, and with the help of regular expression we can make that in case sensitive. Okay, how we will pass? We will pass with the help of slash I. In upcoming topic of means a upcoming topic, we will learn how the regular expression is working and how it's doing that one. Okay, so what we will do? We had passed Ramu. Where is the Ramu method? Replace method is here. Fine. Now do one thing. Remove this one. Remove this and pass here slash. Okay, and pass here I. Sorry. Pass here I. Fine. Let's see. I think single quote is required. Let's see. 1 second. What is this? Ramu is not defined. Oh, that's variable. What is the error? 1 second. Replace Microsoft. Oh, sorry. I not added here. Yeah, now it's fine. So see, what we had done? We added this symbol of slash, and after that, had you learned this symbol? Anyone? During a starting time, means I think after 4 or
Yes,
5
sir.
days,
For comma and
something
double
we had learned,
quote and
comma and then
single
like
quote
this
and double
type.
quote.
Yeah,
Double
Correct?
quote, sir.
for comment
We had learned this thing, but not that much useful. That's not very, don't worry that one. But how we will pass means very, which is the name? Ramu is the name, and after Ramu, I have to pass what? To not to make any case dependency. So what we had done, we had passed the means text inside slash, fine, and after that I had passed I. What is I? I means insensitive. Say this. Insensitive. That is I flag. We pass it with the help of this flag. So wherever you have to make a means not their dependency on the case, you can pass slash I. Automatic, it will not consider capital or a small. Now check the output. So see, what is there? Ramu. So first match itself is Ramu. So you will get first itself is Soham. Clear? Because we are replacing that. But second match is same as it is. Got it? How to add that value? So slash and I. Now it will not think whether a small letter or capital letter. Anything, it will match that value. It will replace. Got it? How we will add case sensitive means how we to remove dependency on sensitive things. So this way we can. So regular expression we will learn actually. So regular expression we have to write without quotes. How to that? With the help of slash. Fine. Next. What we want to replace all the matches use a regular expression. Means whatever matching is there. Now Ramu is there 2 times. One is capital letter and one is a small. What I want, whatever Ramu is there, I want to replace all Ramu with Soham. Got it? So method we are using replace itself, but now with the help of regular expression. So that become globally. Fine. So we will pass here slash G. So do one thing. First, just pass slash G. Let's check only one slash G, but we know that the case case dependency. So pass slash and I. Will it work? I don't know. No. What is the issue then? How to pass multiple? No.
Only backslash G, sir.
I think backslash, that's fine. Oh, 1 second. Yeah.
I needed a
No, that's fine.
GI.
It came. So
GI.
what we had done? Yeah, anything we can pass. IG also. It's not the issue. Both cases that will work. So now see
Global.
what we had done. Yeah. So whatever regular expression we want, we passed after slash. Both case. Okay. What I want to replace all Ramu with Soham. So it will search the Ramu value, whether that is capital or small. So capital case is there and a small is there. So this both Ramu will replace by Soham. Now see the output. This becomes Soham and Soham. Clear? So there is no any dependency over case. Means whether small or capital, it's not the matter. And globally, not only this, suppose one more time it came. Okay, now see, total it become 4 Ramu. Then also we will get the same thing. Now see, my name is Soham and Soham. My name is Soham and Soham. Because we had replaced how? With the help of dash G. Dash G means globally. Globally in the sense how many time it is available, that time replace. And second is I. I means insensitive, whether small or capital. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? These all are small topic, but it's very useful. Clear? Come to next. So how we passed it as slash G and slash I. So for passing that, you have to take like first slash, then you have to pass here a string, whatever a string you want, then again pass slash. Fine, this become combined like a string. After that pass what you want globally. Slash G, you want case sensitive, case dependency, remove that. Slash I, something you want more, you can pass like that, but don't pass anything blindly. Each have keyword meaning of that. Okay, clear? Or anyone having issue in a replace method? So replace method will do only this much task. Second, if you written something in capital letter, suppose by mistake your complete code is written in the small letter. Okay, suppose here itself RAMU Ramu, and remove this my name is Ramu. So see now, my name is Ramu and Mohan. Fine. So this both line is written in the small letter. What I want, recording is going on or not? Check one time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want, my name is Ramu and Mohan. This complete is written in the small letter. If I want to write in capital letter, how we can write? Means we can remove this and we will start the caps letter and then we can write. Correct? My name is like this way. How we can do in the CSS? Who telling yes? Lalan.
Two uppercase. Dot, two uppercase and lowercase.
So, same thing. How to convert in CSS? What was the CSS property?
Sir, text transfer.
Yeah. So text transform, that become the uppercase. Now you want to convert this thing in uppercase. How to convert? So my name is something something. Again, check the method. How to do that? Let's remove the replace. I not want the replace method. Let it to be this one. It's fine. Now go to the method. What we will do? Make one variable late and oh sorry, late text trans trans equal to. Can anyone tell me now how to get that method?
Yes, sir.
Because now we had done that much. So first you have to take a string. So what you will do? What is the original string? Username. Username. After that dot and check that any uppercase, lowercase method is there. So see. So it will come to lowercase and to uppercase.
Yes, sir.
Fine. We want in the uppercase because already that is written in the lowercase. Let's do one thing. By mistake, we had written like this. Save. Okay. We don't know whether method or property. Don't worry. Let's see the error. Got that? New data is not defined. Where is the new data? 1 second.
Late trans.
No. Username. Fine. Oh, we had done that actually.
Text trans. Yeah, late trans in right side.
No, that's fine. 1 second. Yeah. So now see what we had done. We had written 2 uppercase, and due to 2 uppercase, it returned the complete function. See, getting? it return the complete function. So what is this one actually? It is like a method, like function,
Yes.
like function call. If
Yes.
we was writing function, see, if we was writing function and txt some function name and log, sorry,
Calling function.
something, and make this call function call. 1 second, sorry.
That symbol.
Yeah, symbol I had removed. Symbol I had removed. Return. Otherwise, do one thing. alert. Yes. Pass in this. Let's see. So see what happened. This complete means, see, by mistake we had not written this text. How much message we are sending? Okay. So see what I done. We have to call function. Function call in the sense like this way. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Text and this type. Then you will get the output. Let's see. First. Yeah. So see, we got the output in console GGH. But what we had done by mistake, we had not taken that parenthesis and we done this thing function name only. Save. Now see, due to function name, we got the complete function itself. Whatever code is written in the function that came. Got it? So what we had done mistake. So same thing we had done there also. In the case of uppercase, where is that one? Yeah. So this one, put cursor check. Is this method or property? Put cursor there. What is showing?
Method.
Method.
String.
Method in the sense which type? Parenthesis is there. Correct?
String.
Method means parenthesis, not a string. Method in the sense parenthesis
Yes,
should
sir.
be there. Like see, it's showing. See, the complete code itself is there. Got it? If you done mistake, the complete code is showing that. See, a string dot to uppercase. Already we had done the same thing. A string in the sense which one you want to change. This one we want to change, and this is with variable name. So username. So username is my string and dot method name. Got it? So here parenthesis should be. So pass parenthesis and save. So see that my name is Ramu. Got it? Clear?
In all
So this way we can what? Yeah,
in
all
all
become in
capital.
the capital letter. Now suppose I not want this one. I want to take some data from that from the UI. I don't know whether it will work or not. Let's see. Pass ID. H2TXT. Pass demo itself. That will find. So let's see here. So we was writing the text here. Correct. Now tell me how to get that text. ID1. How to get?
Document. Document dot get element. by
Document
ID.
dot get element.
I'm giving ID.
Per case. So we will write that document dot get element by ID and we will pass that
Method.
demo. Fine. Anything more? Document date get element by ID demo. It will give you value or not? It will give or not? So let's see whether we will get or not. 1 second. Let comment this line. Comment this both. 1 second. Let comment this line. Let's save and see. So we got the complete. See that what happened? This complete text itself. But what we want? We want dot
only
inner HTML.
inner HTML.
Got it? If by mistake, if you done anything, so you can get like this way. Got it? So,
also same answer.
what?
Yes, sir.
What's with that?
Sir, that open that browser, sir, not console, sir, browser.
Browser. 1 second. Yeah, see this. Now, whatever is written here, it came in the console. Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But we had not written that time inner HTML. What happened that one? See that. What happened? What you getting here?
Only H2.
Oh,
No.
All word.
We get what we getting?
All are same.
oh,
We getting complete HTML of that ID. Correct or not?
yes, sir.
See that H2 ID demo something. So we getting this complete HTML. But what we want? We want the complete, means we want the data. So dot inner HTML and save. So we got the data. Fine. So now what we want to change that uppercase. Fine. So username dot this. Okay. Let's uncomment this also. So username, let's save. So see that this is your old one, which is in a small letter, and this is your capital. This is your this is in new one after conversion. So this becomes capital letter. Clear? Now I want to replace, means I want to display the same thing on HTML. How to display?
Sir,
How
in
to
a
pass?
document dot get element by ID in HTML and pass
Document dot
get element by ID and
Get-
giving ID.
get element by ID, pass ID. Which ID?
Yes, sir. In
Means
demo.
over any new place we have to, because we want a small letter and capital both. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
want capital and a small both. So I will pass a separate ID. So
Okay, sir.
new data like this way. Fine. You will get confused. CAPS. And what we will pass here, we will pass the ID. Correct or not? Is this correct up to here? Document dot get element by ID. It will refer to paragraph. Correct? And
Yes,
after
sir.
that dot. What we will write? What we want? We
Inner
want to
HTML.
pass the inner HTML. Let's see. Inner HTML equal to what is the value? Which text we want to pass after conversion, means new data. Correct? I don't know whether it will work or not. So see, we got that output.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Had you got idea what we had done here? We had taken the data, okay, and after that we had 1 second. Okay, we had taken that data in the small letter, and after that we had converted that, and we again passed the same thing on the our UI, and same thing be displaying on console also. See that means don't think now we are working on console means all the JavaScript function it will do on console itself. No, whatever we want we can manipulate. Where you want you can display. Got it? Why we had means display data on HTML also. So we can convert, we can pass wherever you want. Same thing you can do with CSS. Same thing you can do with JavaScript now. Clear? Anyone
Yes,
having
sir.
any doubt how to convert and how to pass in console and then in HTML? So be seen uppercase. Now, if you want to change in the lower, what you will do? Another method that is lower to lowercase. That's it. Fine. So do one thing. Up lowercase is already that one. I will do one thing. I will copy this line. Okay, can I write like this way? Is this is correct? Directly here itself means a string. So pass the string value RAMU something something, and after that dot to lower case. Is this will work? What are you
Yeah, it
thinking?
works.
Yeah,
It
sir.
will work because
it will
here
work.
we had passed the hard coded value, and after that we passed all the method. Same thing we doing here in 3 steps, but always we will do like this. But if you have to do anything suddenly, you can do that directly. So let's see. We got here because it converted into lowercase, because our output here is in the capital. Now I showing you, if you have not this editor, nothing is there, then also in browser itself you can do that. It's not means you have to editor and this that. So tell me any string. So pass the string. Pass here Ramu. Fine. And dot. What you want? To lowercase or uppercase. To uppercase and pass that. Got it? So directly we can pass here. Otherwise, make variable late data equal to MOHAN Mohan. Fine. And see, as you will press enter, this variable get stored in this browser. Okay. Now what? Now data dot, and see, as you start writing, you will get the value. What you doing? Dot to uppercase, and after that it is method. So pass that. So now it converted. Clear? Now do one thing. Let data equal to RAMU Ramu. Okay, so as much time you want, you can do whatever you want, you can do there. Means in browser itself, we can write all the JavaScript. It's not that we will work on the editor, then only we can do. Clear? So uppercase, lowercase, this type we can convert. Anyone having any issue? Tell me.
Sir, one issue, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, line number 26. Please
1
repeat,
second.
sir.
Line number 26. What is this one? Yeah, this is same thing, Praful. See, I had told you that time actually. Data now we are transferring. See what happened here? Document dot get element by ID. Correct? It referred to some ID.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes.
Next dot inner HTML. What it will do? It will transfer something to inner HTML. That's a method is there for HTML. Next equal to new data. Which value it will take and can pass to the HTML. That is a new data. Means
Yes, sir.
that time I had told you to search the query to pass the data from JavaScript to HTML. Got it? For the
Yes.
form field.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So
Yeah.
same thing here it's doing. It's taking this new data from where it's coming. This value. This
Line
this
number
value.
22.
This value is coming from this all operation.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Means this coming from somewhere, but not from HTML. After this, what happening? It's taking the value, this all value, it is assigning to this side, because right side is value, left side is variable. Concept is
Yeah.
always same. This right side is the value and it gone to assign to the left side. Clear? So this
Yes.
become HTML. So this way we can pass anything. Okay, means not means a text or any operation from JavaScript to HTML file, because HTML file will be available in our browser. Correct? Whatever
Yes.
be writing on HTML, that will be only available in browser. JavaScript will not available in browser. It will available in console. But suppose if you want to show something to user, how you will show that? With the help of this one? No.
No.
Correct?
In HTML.
Lastly, we have to take the data on the UI. Then only we can show to the user. So this way we can manipulate. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
As like if you had stored some data in the local storage, same way you can pass that. Means suppose here you taken the data from local storage. Local storage, as I told, make one table, take the data, but nobody done. That's good. No, don't worry. Local storage dot get item, and here you will pass suppose
ID.
a data.
The
Suppose
key.
whatever
Okay.
key you had passed there.
Yeah.
So it will give you all data. It will give you complete value. And after that, that all value will be here. Means that all value will be in your HTML. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Had anybody stored the data in local storage? Means whatever form data I had told in the object form, had anybody stored? Nobody.
Yes, sir. I am.
Means had you stored in the object form or just a string?
They show object too, sir.
Yeah, it's showing object.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will show object. Something you have to do there, then only that will work.
When you target some, then you will show sir here.
Yeah,
No. It will come object. You have to convert that into a string. JSON dot means you have to convert it into JSON. Like that you have to do. Then you have to do in the string. Nobody had done. That's why I not told the answer of the anyone. Because nobody taking so serious, then why I will learn HTML. That's fine. See, this is the code actually. When you local storage dot set item, yeah. So when you are storing the data, okay, you are storing directly. You are taking this directly, local storage dot set item, and you are passing that. It will show object, but you have to convert that. JSON dot stringify means you have to convert into a string. JSON dot stringify method you have to pass. So it will convert into a string format. Okay, data will go in the string type, and once it will save, you will get the data. Got it? And after that, when you taking the data, then again you have to convert. See that JSON dot parse, because the data whatever was there, it was in the string format. Now you want again in the object form. So again you have to convert it. Then only it will come in the original form, because local storage not taking the data in same. See, when you will practice, then only you will get the real scenario issue. If no practice, no confusion. In course, you can get all the basic concept, okay? But many things, when you saving data, when you doing different operation, you will get different scenario. Why it's not saving? You can search in Google itself. See. What we doing? Be saving the data in local storage. Be getting object. Correct? So see, just search in simple language. Whatever you understand, search in that way. When we, what you doing actually? When we saving data to local storage, not only local, it will be session also, same thing. Local, when we saving data to local storage, be getting I was expecting that error itself from all, that you getting object. Be getting only object in which language? That is JavaScript. It's compulsory. Pass the language. Otherwise, you will not get the proper. Now click the first itself. Don't think that always Stack Overflow then only. We can search any website also. And see this. Storing and retrieving JavaScript object in the local storage. Go down. You will get. See, why we getting means like why we taking set item, what is the use? It's explained all the things. Windows dot local storage dot set item. No need to bind means write window. You can write directly also. So see here, JSON dot stringify. The JSON dot stringify method converts any object, okay, or acceptable value into a string JSON. Got it? What is JSON? We will learn. One topic is there itself, that is JSON. This way it means in this type we can convert any object, because when you are storing data you getting object. So you have to convert that into a string JSON format. After that, once you convert it, JSON is this one, means this is object itself. This also known as the JSON format. And when you again getting that value, okay, then method, then you have to do JSON parse. Means once you want to get the data from the local storage, first time you had save, second you want to get. So saving time you have to do this operation, okay, and for getting time you have to do this operation. Means again, first you was getting object, you converted into JSON stringify method, a string JSON, and after saving again you want in the object, means original form. So you will go this method, convert a string into its corresponding object or value. Got it? See this, convert a string into what value? Object. Because we was saving in object and we want in the object. So we have to do like this way. See this. See the output. When you saving, output will come like this one. Sweta, you was getting like this way, correct?
Yes, sir.
Object. Yeah. So see this is a string representation of an object instance, but its value is never read. Okay. So now we need to retrieve our JavaScript object, which we previously saved as a JSON string. Okay. So see this. 1 second. Where we had done. Yeah. So this here it had saved local storage JSON.stringify my object. This one is the method, and where is the data? Data is this one, this variable. Clear? So this way it had saved, and after saving, the data got saved. Now you going to take the data. See this get item means you getting the data. For getting data, what it done? Console.log JSON parse and get method variable. See this. Only two operations you have to do there. Then you will get the original data like this way. Got it?
Okay.
That is typecasting. See, if you will search, then only you will get many issues. Okay. Not only here, if you will learn any language, and when you will start working on project, that time you will get error. So,
Sir,
yeah.
in input tag, we pass some input and a store, but is not showing like a object, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir,
See,
yeah.
when, okay, 1 second. When you are storing single value, okay,
Yeah.
that becomes just normal string. It will not show object. But if you make some, if you make
Yes,
like this, obj data, something like this way, okay, and you are storing this value, name val colon Ramu, like this one. Got it? This value.
Oh,
Then you will
this
get
type of
the error.
yeah, okay.
Sir, only.
Then we will get object, sir.
Only, sir.
Yeah, then you will get object. That time you have to convert, because whatever form data you getting, you have to save that in the form of a string, means a object itself. Then only you will get the value. Then only we can get each value, and then only we can pass in the table. Otherwise, if you will save in a string, you can't get that. Okay, a string you can get, but it's not a correct one. Because we want last motto to design the table.
Yes, sir. How can we store input value like in object, sir?
Had created that actually that day this way, data obj equal to, see that's I told now, once you will start learning, then only you will get error. But nobody is learning. Then what we can do? Name value equal to, you will get here value. let
Here,
username equal to
document dot get
document
element. Yeah. Okay, sir. I can.
get
note that.
element by id dot inner HTML. Fine. Means we will
Yeah.
get the value
Yeah.
and
Then we'll pass
pass,
this name in below in
now
object,
we
sir.
have to pass, yeah. So now we will pass this name here.
New value.
Otherwise
Dot
you can,
and change equal.
and otherwise you can create the function. Same thing we had discussed actually, but nobody is watching video. That is the problem. That's why I also left him. It's fine. Nobody. Don't do. You had done this thing or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm done with that.
Save data and take here argument obj data, otherwise data, and we can write console.log and data. That's a simple here. Go with the function call. Save data, make the function and pass the data object itself. Had we done this thing? Now tell me. Or not? And here the username.
Sir, only take an hard-coded value. Whenever I placing any, like in browser, we can pass any name that will be saved in console, sir, but not saved in local storage.
What? Can't get.
Sir, in that form, we can pass any full name and email
Okay.
and any number. It will be show in console, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we can pass that in this form itself.
But it's not so, sir. Only that object you can.
No, object because something changes are required. Got it? Because when you will write the code, you will create the object, then only it will. Where the user is already. Okay.
Sir, I telling you.
1 second, wait. Oh, that semicolon is the issue. Comma will be. 1 second. Late. Okay, that will be this one. Yeah, fine. Yeah, Sweta. See, now what will happen when you will get the data from here? Correct? We can get data now with the reference of get element by ID. It will pass to this variable. Correct? With the help of this all variable data, we will create one object. Correct? And
Yes.
now in the save data, clear, we will pass this complete object itself as argument, and we will save here like local storage dot set item, and here we will pass the data. This is very interesting actually, but nobody had done. That's why nobody know. This is the game of the database, how the database is working. Okay, like this way. And
Sir,
it
I
will
have
show
no
you
idea about this. That's
which one. Which one you have not the
I
idea?
missed the class, I think, because I have no idea about local storage.
Local storage in 3 class I had explained the local storage. Local storage is just only one keyword. That's it.
Okay, sir.
This way, because this is like a database. Okay, when you playing with a database, then only you will get the real scenario that how it is working. Then only you will enjoy the programming. Otherwise, just HTML or CSS, it's not going to do anything. Okay. Sweta, just try like this way. Got it?
Yes,
You will
sir.
get that. If you want code, I can give you code itself. Everything is written here. But what I want just to go search in Google, then just to get that. Already I had written every code. See, complete code is here. For delete also, log out. When you're doing that log out option, see that log out, then you have to delete. Clear. Local storage dot clear. Get data. Then this everything we had discussed. Shivani, 1 second, you telling you had not studied. See this line? Had you studied this line? My school name is something.
Yeah, sir. That I know,
Yeah.
but
So wait,
what
1
local
second, 1 second.
I
Here,
forget.
here itself we had discussed this local storage. See this. Okay.
Due to exam, I don't revise that so.
Maybe you had not concentrate there. Okay. So now next, what is the property? Yeah, next is concatenation. So in HTML we had seen how to concatenate two text. In again JavaScript we had done how to concatenate. Means in HTML there is no concatenation keyword, but in JavaScript we had done how to do that in concatenation. Can anyone?
Yeah, plus symbol.
Yes, sir.
With
First,
the help of plus symbol.
We will.
plus symbol. The combination of number and string.
Concatenation. Fine. Let's remove this one. Remove this, etc. Okay, so concatenation. So let's do that. How we will do that? Username, new data. Fine. Yeah. So suppose we can write like this way. This is this plus, and then again you can pass something is then again you can pass that 20 something like this way. So this become the concatenation, correct or not? So this way we had added
Yes, sir.
that this is 20. So this is the concatenation process. But same thing we can do with the help of JavaScript code also. So how to do that? Just see. These all are simple example actually. So see here, what we had done, we taken one text, that is text 1, one we taken text 2, and we written like a text 1. Here we want text 1 dot concat method. Where is that? Just see. So this is concat method. Now pass. Now see inside concat, what are you getting? A string, then something is there, correct? So here we have to pass that value. Got it? So if we want some space, let it to be, pass the space, pass comma, and with whom you want, we want a text 2. Text 2, fine, and go in the console. Text 3 and save. Let comment this line. No, let it to be. So see what happened. We got a hello world. I want a space. Let's pass a space also. We got that hello world here
Sir,
with a space.
in real case, when you using sir in input tag we pass name and last name, it is use that one, sir, for adding this name.
Yeah, you can do that.
First
Concatenation.
name, last name, yeah. Then we return only one value, sir.
Yeah. Suppose this is your first name.
Yeah.
You can write like this way. See, programming means think the real scenario. Then you will get the idea. FIRST. First name dot. See, I will tell you one means the truth. Okay. Everybody will teach you the programming only. But regarding the thinking power concept, this, that, you have to get. Now see, we got that first name and last name. Do that. RAM, Ram, AUMAR. Now save. So we got like this, correct? So this way we can concatenate, and this is my final result. Clear? So concat method. Next.
Sir,
So concat method. Yeah.
Sir, if you want more than two value, then right now we have to concatenate only two variable. If we want more than two, means
We will
three
come.
variable.
We can
Then,
pass here,
sir,
sir.
when sir, we using more variables name.
I think here we can pass.
By
Yes,
comma,
sir.
sir.
Let's pass that comma FIR. No. It will not take here. It will take only two value.
Because two variables here. That's why, sir.
Let's say check. I think maybe it will come. Yeah, it came. Ram Kumar Ram. We passed three variable.
We
You
can
want
pass on
the
multiple variables, sir.
yeah, and
We can separate with comma.
if we want a space between that, put comma
Yes,
like
please.
this way. Okay.
Sir, we can pass only one variable name.
Yeah. Why not?
But why you pass only one?
Then what is the need of concatenation?
No,
Full.
sir. I am only show the output.
Yeah, see this.
Yeah,
First
okay.
name dot concat. You going to add the second one. This one you telling or something different.
First one.
You want only first Ram. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Praful.
Yes.
Ram only.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on. I
It's
will come
coming
there.
Ram and Ram.
Praful, just write this. Enough. Got it? Write your first name in the console. Why you will go concat method and this, that? What is the need?
No, sir. I am tell in let and declare in two variable. So write in first variable declaration first name and inside the only first name. So what is the output? That's why I'm telling.
Only first name, na? Correct. This one.
Yeah.
So save. You will get Ram.
No, sir. In concatenation.
Sir, you
Got it.
concate, sir, first one to
Got it.
first.
Comma.
Yeah, I got it. He telling first name dot concat and then he will not pass inside anything. Correct? Praful.
Inside one first, sir. First
Yeah,
name.
sir. Inside first name.
Inside you passing first name. Like
Yeah,
this way.
sir. Yeah,
Is
sir.
this correct,
सर
Praful?
ये
No,
अलग
sir. It is error.
ये लोग
Okay,
अलग
means
तरीके का एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाह रहा है लोग.
one second. Means you not want this one.
Sir, in
No,
place
sir. It is error. So,
Which one you want or which one you not want?
so nothing, sir. I doubt clear, sir. In,
Doubt clear.
yeah,
I
sir.
understand his doubt. He not want this first name here. You will apply this concat method on air. Where you will apply that. Something will be required here, correct?
Yeah, sir.
sir,
Then only, yeah.
in place of first name, can we change that last name?
Here. Yeah,
Yes.
why not? Which one you want first means starting. You can do like that. Got it?
Sir,
See,
where here class name, sir? She said class
one.
name.
No, class name not. Means she telling that actually. First name and last name.
Yes,
That
sir.
is variable name actually. So you can replace the position. Means as which type you want concatenation, you can do like that. Clear, Sweta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Concat method. Next, JavaScript string method. It's very easy, but it's very useful. Where you will use, let's see. How much code is it there? It creating new string there. Suppose you written code. Okay, by mistake you had done this much spacing. When you will write a code, this all line will be there. Okay. What you have to do? You have to replace those white space. Okay, what we want? Yeah, white spacing. So trim. So what we will do? We will use the method name that is a trim. Fine. So you will not get like this. 1 second. Where is that? Okay. So username dot take text1 dot and method name that is a trim. Method name is trim. With the help of trim, what it will do? It will, whatever white spaces are there, it will remove all the white space. Fine. And let's save.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, it will be quite better. First, you have to find that length, and after that, you have to use that trim, sir. So it will be more clear.
Here also it will clear. Just wait. What happened? Where is the error? Some variable defined text1, text data. Oh, this one. Text data. See this. In this hello world, this much is there, correct? Up to here. But see the second line. After trim, there is just a text. White spaces are not there. Okay. Now go with the length. So text data 1 dot length. Right here itself. Dot length. And now see in both case, what is the length? One having 21, one having 12 because of that white spaces. Because after trim, it had rejected all the white spaces there. It had removed all the white spaces and then it become the original one. So let's do one thing. Suppose if we will write like this type of text, what you thinking? What it will do?
Sir, it will make like
So
khichdi, sir.
let's see where it's making khichdi.
It's not like make khichdi, sir, because when more than two spaces, then it will trim, sir. I think.
Isn't it,
No,
sir?
no.
It will make khichdi, sir, definitely.
Now see, when you have a starting time white space, it will remove the starting white space and ending white space.
Inside
Got it?
the parser.
Yeah, and inside whatever spaces it will not remove. Fine. Already it have that space. It will not remove that space. First remove this one. I think it will not remove. So now see, it's become 30 and 30, both having 30. But anyway, we have this much space here. So whatever space starting and ending have, it will remove. Now tell me where you will use this thing. Any idea? Anyone? No idea.
Sorry, where?
Maybe, sir.
Where you will use?
Text alignment.
Text alignment.
Maybe, sir.
Why we will use in text alignment? CSS already have text alignment. Correct. Oh. Make one on change event. On change. TXT CHANGE. Change. And anyone practice of the event?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who had done, that's fine. Who had not done, that's very good. Because why
That's
you will
very nice.
practice.
क्यों सर अब बोलने वाले नहीं है क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं. Nothing man. That's
Sir,
not my
आपने
career. That is the final decision. That's not my career. Correct? That is the thing. Is anyone here who going for the key, means UKG, LKG standard? Now tell me. Who is like that? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone had to, any? Samir, sorry, Lalan, don't like this type. Okay, that's not good.
वो हैंड रेज कर रही है मैम को ना.
Oh.
इसीलिए
See,
मैं
nobody
बोला.
had. Okay. So nobody had told anyone to join that institute, this, that, no one. You had decided. So you have to think why you did, why you had joined. Document dot get element by ID, pass that method, sorry, ID name. Then Shivani, you have dinner time. Dot INNER.
Yes, sir.
Just give me 5 minutes. Dot value.
Sir,
Sorry.
Sir, I also want to grab my dinner, sir.
And dot inner HTML dot value. Why that value property not coming?
Sir,
Dot
that-
value.
Sir, it's not coming, sir. You can write manually, sir.
Okay. Let you name equal to this one. Copy this one and pass here. Now save. Just 1 second. So see here, we had taken enter name field. Fine. Take the value. Pass something here. On change. We got the value here. What is the length? As it is, whatever we had passed. Correct? RAMU. Ramu. Fine. We got the value. Now do one thing. What we can do, in place of Ramu, don't pass like this. Pass like this way. What happened? This much white spaces came.
Yeah.
Now suppose that this is your password. Your password, this came in like this way. Tomorrow you're going to write some code where you have to verify the user some password. Will you accept the white space in your password case? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, it won't
No,
accept.
sir. It's complicated.
Means user while registering, user had done by mistake this way. That email ID, he passed the email ID. Okay, aa@gmail.com. Like this way he had passed. Okay, and now you can imagine if you had passed this way, this all data. Now see what happened. How much white space? See that this much white spaces. Now you can just think if user had passed this much while logging time, will it verify your email ID?
No,
It will
sir.
verify.
Obviously not, sir.
No.
It will give error. Correct? Otherwise, in password case, it will give you error because I had passed this much white spaces. So, had you got the real scenario where you can use the white trim? Whenever you're taking data from user, you can get and trim the value. Now, what I can do? Pass that dot trim method and save. And now we see. Now tell me, where is the white space? Now we see. Had you got any white spaces here? Let's do one thing. Wait. RAMU something and pass this. Now you see where is the white space. Now you can easily verify the user data, correct or not? Suppose password you passed and this much white space. Now see, you can easily verify because database having that one. Why mistake also user had passed that, it's not an issue. Got it? This type. Now the problem, and where we will use uppercase and lowercase. Any idea?
Sir, in registration form, sir, because
So
first
in
name, last name, each and
registration,
everything we need
suppose
uppercase.
what you done by mistake, you had entered the data. You entering by mistake your caps lock got on and aa@gmail.com, and this data you going to save in the database. It become capital while means registering time, but while login time your caps lock is not on. Got it? .com. Now you getting this data. Will it verify both user login process? Tell me. No. What you will do?
Obviously not, sir.
Always you will take that data. Means whatever data user had passed, always you will take like a small letter or capital, whatever you want. Then that time you will pass that method. So pass that dot lowercase. Don't know, it will write like this way or what? Let me check. To lowercase. Dot length. Don't know whether it will take like this or not. Oh, sorry. Let's say it given error. No, it's fine. Now see what will happen. Now I passing capital letter aa@gmail.com. Okay, and I giving a space also. Now see what happened. Whatever data you passed, it become in the small letter without any space. Fine. Now you passing data with a space in a small letter. Yeah, in a small letter itself. Fine. And see, you getting the data in the small letter means whether user had done mistake, caps lock getting on, a space is there. Anyway, data will be always white space trimmed and always it getting in the small letter. Now you can easily verify the user whether by mistake he entering capital letter or small letter, caps lock, this, that, anything. But you can verify the user always. Means your case, your code, whatever code you had written, there will be no any bugs. Okay. Otherwise, this is that term. This is known as bugs. That you accepting user data only white space. You accepting data only capital, only a small. Now you are free. You can pass any data, whether a small letter, capital letter, this, that, anything. I'm not going to worry because internally I will do that operation. I'm not going to tell the user that pass only capital letter. Clear? When we using this all things. So once you will practice, then only you will get this scenario. Got it? This thing completed or not? Clear? Or anyone having issue? How we will use this thing?
Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear? Okay, fine. Now do one thing. What is the time? 8:25. We will join at 8:50 approx. Fine. Meanwhile, you can take dinner.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.